flash out.
I want to use the loot crate as cover. Pete, do you have a full view of up the hill if anyone runs up the hill behind the loot crate?
Behind us.
Knocked?
Got one. Yeah, I got one.
Where's his teammates?
They flanked back
No.
where we came from originally. That one guy did.
I still see a guy by the tree, or looks like he's crawling. I can't tell. It's all gray.
He's knocked.
Yeah, I knocked him.
I'm so fucking good at this game.
His fucking body flew.
Is this
Multi-kill!
is this last guy by a tree?
There's two
Guys,
left.
No, the last guy's the last guy that we...
There's two guys.
There's one guy! Oh yeah, two guys.
Jesus fucking
Dude,
Christ,
and
Pete.
They're over there. I didn't know someone fucking died. He's right here.
Oh, I'm down.
Yeah, so am I.
What?
Wow, we all just died.